Bitcoin has been fluctuating in between $90,000 and $99,000. And the question is, this month, this December, are we going to have a Christmas rally, a Santa rally above $100,000? In this video, I'm going to reveal to you my target, my plan, short-term, long-term for Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about alt season, but more importantly, I'm going to show you when I'm going to sell all my crypto. So give me a favor, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. I'm going to cut the chase, guys, and show you straight away what's going to be happening right now, my plan, and what I'm going to do. As you can see from here, guys, you can see that Bitcoin is pretty much ranging in between $99,000, $96,000. And of course, at the moment, looks like we're about to break this very important level of resistance, which we haven't done so. And the question is, are we going to go down? Are we going to go down to 80,000, 82,000, and then up again above 100,000? Or are we going to see a Santa rally? Basically, at the moment, you can see Bitcoin stalling a little bit. We can see the altcoins going completely crazy. For example, ADA, XRP, and so many more. Like, for example, HBAR, I don't know if you saw them. And right now, everything is pumping. And guess what, guys? With our VIP group, our premium group on Discord, which was established roughly 8 months ago, myself and my amazing members already knew all of this in advance. And of course, guys, I wanted to show you this from Christopher over here. HBAR, look at his result right now. Still going 4,700%. And look at our members, guys. We are making trading calls every day. For example, here my call on Solana yesterday. You can see everything documented, transparent. 7% here. Then I re-enter again, made another 25%. But look at everybody else, guys. Gala, 211%. Look at this. 170%. Guys, the VIP group is the best way to be right now. So if you want to make proper money into this market, you want Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis, and to understand which coins are going to pump during this alt season, come and join the VIP group, guys. There is a link here. This is the website. You can see, you can go on membership, and there is a little trailer you can just watch over here to show you how's inside, and also all of our trading results, all documented for the past 8 months. You guys will not regret it. But now let's go back into BTC and show you what I think can be happening right now. So as you can see, right, the reason why I can still believe we're going to have a Santa rally is the fact that the same thing happening also in 2020 and in 2023. And what I'm expecting right now is going to be the US dollar could go down from now until the end of the year. And what we could be seeing could be Bitcoin to have a local top up to this area over here. So basically what I do, I connect to this point over here, to this point over here, to this point over here. And then what we should be seeing the RSI touching this area at around 90 to 92, going to an oversold region. But Bitcoin should be reaching a target for the Santa rally, which is going to be around in between, in my opinion, $110,000 to $120,000 for one Bitcoin. And after that, we should be seeing like a more pronounced correction, maybe down to 90K, $95,000, to then maybe have another push to the upside, maybe around mid-year. Of course, guys, what I think is going to be happening is that once we're going to go to this up to this area, I think I'm probably going to be with Bitcoin at 95% out of the market. Lots of people are expecting 200K, 300K. I don't care what do I expect, guys. I bought at $16,000, so I don't really care. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sell 95% over here, and then I'm probably going to be out of the market. The only reason why I will probably re-enter, if we're going to go down again to maybe 80,000, 85,000, maybe I'm going to re-enter again. But right now, I would say you have to be very careful once we're going to reach this point over here, because then what can happen from here, we might see maybe another push to the upside, another like a double top scenario. Or also from here, if we're going to go, for example, in a recession with the US, we could be seeing maybe a downfall down to here. And the question is, if we're going to have a downfall, how low Bitcoin could go? Well, looking at the chart from here, what I like to see is basically to follow this point over here. You can see that we had a bottom around here in 2018, which was 3,000. Second bottom over here in 2021 at roughly 17,000, 16,000. And then the next bottom over here could be around 2025, could be around the $35,000 to $40,000 mark. Lots of people say completely disagree with myself. I don't care what you think. I think that once we're going to be seeing like this huge pump of Bitcoin up to 120K, I wouldn't be surprised in the next bear market, we're going to probably go down to the low $40,000. And again, if that happens, guys, I'm going to go and load up the truck again and ride all the way up to maybe 200,000, 250,000. Guys, I'm a realist. I'm not a moon boy. I don't like to show you this crazy prediction. That's what I think I'm going to do. I also want to show you when I'm going to sell potentially my altcoins. You can see that over here, guys, we have a thing called the crypto total market cap. In general, you can see that looking at the shape over here, this one represents all the market capitalization of Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything we have. And right now we are at roughly $3.4 trillion. Looking at the shape over here, guys, on the monthly chart, you can see that we are forming what we call a cup and handle pattern. In general, a cup and handle pattern, what you do, you measure this point over here to this point over here, and then you basically drag it around this area over here. And what I can see is that, again, the convergence of this point over here to this point over here to then this point over here is exactly the height of this cup and handle. Just put it over here. So the target that I'm expecting from here is going to be roughly at a $4.5 to $5 trillion market cap, which is basically $1.5 trillion more than what we have right now. Of course, if we're going to go up to this area, I can see altcoins to go completely ballistic, maybe to do like a 10x, a 20x. And by the way, guys, to those of you who were saying that we're not going to have any alt season, I mean, look at the altcoins right now, right? Pumping like crazy. So, but once you're going to go with a total crypto market cap around this area over here, I'm probably going to start to offload also my altcoins because the risk is not going to be worth for the reward. If I already make 6x, 5x, whatever with my altcoins, there is no point to hope for a 10 or 20x. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a pullback and maybe re-enter later. So that's what I'm going to do. Next one I'm really monitoring right now as well, very important, guys, is the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, you can see over here, Bitcoin broke for this very important channel. Looks like our season could have started unless BTC does one last push to the upside, maybe up to here. And then, of course, we're going to see continuation to the downside. When am I going to sell all my altcoins, guys? I want to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping at least down to this golden pocket area at the 47% dominance. Once I'm going to see this one over here, I'm going to see an oversold RSI around this area. That's going to be my indicator where I'm going to go and walk away with all of my cryptocurrency. I'm going to be a very happy boy, but of course, that's going to be super exciting. Next one I want to show you as well, guys, Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be very important. Once I can see Ethereum breaking all-time high as well, going potentially to, let's say, I'm going to measure it from here to here and then bring this one over here. You can see that if you're going to go around $6,000 to $7,000 in general, what we saw in 2021 in the previous bull market is that when Ethereum touches a new all-time high, that was actually the sign that we were at the end of the bull market. So once I see Ethereum going to in between $6,500, $7,000, I'm probably going to be a seller. And then, of course, I'm going to sell all of my altcoins as well, because the risk is going to be that we could be seeing this, a pump, and then going down to here. I wanted to show you what happened, for example, in 2021, so you're going to have a better understanding. So we can go from here, and then you can go to this way over here. You can see that we had a top with Ethereum at around the 8th of November, 8 to 22 of November 2021. And Bitcoin, what happened in 2021, had a drop already on the 25th of October. So it was 1 week before Ethereum actually started to drop as well. So once Ethereum is going to start to drop as well, that's going to be my sign that the bull market could be over and we could be entering a new bear market. Guys, by the way, if you also are interested in understanding how to trade, how to go, buy and sell, go long or short, and understand all of this the way I'm actually analyzing all these markets. If you're also interested, right, there is a free masterclass. You can go on my website over here on the Freedom Trading Academy homepage, watch free masterclass, and basically I'm going to teach you how you can make 20+% per month by yourself in under 4 hours per week. That's what I do. It takes me probably 20 minutes, 10 minutes a day to understand if a coin is going to go up or down. Then I can go long or short, make my 20%. Nowadays it's been probably per day, not per month, but really, guys, watch this one over here. It's called the $1 million strategy. It's my strategy that entails, comprehends basically macroeconomics, order flow, technical analysis all together to really help you to make serious money into this cryptocurrency market. So free video, watch it because you won't regret it. By the way, let's go back into Bitcoin and let's see what's happening right now. So short term, guys, short term is in a very interesting situation. What I'm expecting right now, so you can see that we are in a pretty much like almost like a triangle over here. And what I could be expecting from BTC is going to be, once this triangle is going to be resolved, whether to the upside or to the downside, what we should be seeing is going to be a movement which is going to be equal to this height over here. And I would say that it's going to resolve to the upside from here. We could be seeing a pump up to $110,000. But if we're going to see a breakdown from here, what I could be seeing could be a breakdown this way, going down here maybe around 87,000, and then a push to the upside. And in this situation from here, what we could be forming could be a potential bull flag. So I could be seeing this. Looking at this, I'm going to go and drop, first of all, this parallel channel, one channel over here, the other channel is going to be here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then boom, another big impulse to the upside, which should be equal, again, as I said before, to this movement up to here. So again, going to this area, if we're going to drop down to 87,000, I bring this one over here, brings me again $110,000 as our target. And then after this, a more pronounced correction, maybe going down to, probably, we can even see from here, there is a big support around this area, 82,000. So we're going to go up to here, 82,000. And then from there, I don't know what's going to be happening. But that's why, guys, you had to be in the VIP, because in the VIP, we discuss this every single day about Bitcoin every day. Altcoin analysis as well. If you want to know about Solana, about field vet, H-bar, anything about short-term, long-term, guys, that's the place to be. And you can also request analysis every single day, and I'll do it for you. Next one, guys, very important, S&P 500. You can see we are pretty much at the end of this bull market already. 6-month chart is showing that maybe we have one more last push to the upside. We could be going up to 6,500, 6,600, but then I'm expecting a more pronounced correction from here, maybe 6,500 down to 4,500, then maybe another push. I don't know what could be happening, but I think we are very, very close to the top for the S&P 500. Next one is going to be, of course, the DXY, guys. DXY as well, dollar currency index, I think is about to go down as well. And this one goes down, of course, is going to be amazing for crypto and stocks. That's why I can see the push of Bitcoin going to $100,000. And also, last thing I would like to show you today is the market US economic calendar. For today, we are having the job openings, very important. Again, if you want to know all of this, the interpretation can come on the VIP, guys. We discuss this, every day. Then Wednesday as well, very important, is going to be employment rate. Lots of Fed, Jerome Powell is going to speak as well. Thursday, initial jobless claims. All of these, guys, is going to be super important to dictate whether Bitcoin is going to continue to go higher or go down as well. But we don't care, guys. With the VIP group, we don't care, because we short the market, making money, the price goes down. We long the market, we know exactly when to enter the market. Like, for example, yesterday, Solana, we feel like really like a killer entry. And this is like pretty much, happening every single day. So if you want to know more, guys, if you want to really see all of these analyses, like, ADA, what happens, please come and join us, because you will not regret it. It's like the next level of trading and investing. But otherwise, guys, I really wish you an amazing day. Of course, I'm really happy for you that if you invested in this altcoins like XRP, ADA, HBAR, you should be very happy yourself. But otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video, another update, and you really take care of yourself. See you soon.